How to fix iPhone charging but not turning on. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. This issue might occur if your battery is completely drained, that is, it's deeply discharged. So you can try to go ahead and use original Apple or MFI certified charger and plug it directly into a wall adapter and not laptop or power bank. Further, go ahead and charge for at least 30 to 60 seconds and try not to turn it on immediately. If the battery was deeply drained, the screen may stay black for a while. You can then try to go ahead and force restart your iPhone by simply pressing and releasing the volume up button, further pressing and releasing the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once it appears, simply force restart your iPhone and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, then check for display settings. So simply turn the ringer switch on or off, and you can also try to press the volume up buttons, or you can try to call on your iPhone from another phone. If the display does not appear, even if the phone is ringing or vibrating, then it could be a display issue, and you might need to take your iPhone to an Apple certified service center to help you further fix your issue. It could also sometimes be that the charger or the adapter that you are using is not working, so you can try to use a different cable or different adapter and clean the charging port gently and try again. If your issue is still not fixed, then it could be because your iPhone is too hot or if your iPhone is extremely cold. So go ahead and keep your iPhone at the room temperature and make sure not to enable the iPhone and turn it on for the time being until the temperature is normalized. You can then try to turn on your iPhone and your iPhone should be restarted by now. If not, then you might need to take your iPhone for battery replacement, display check in and certified Apple authorized service center. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone charging but not turning on. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.